To add a dashboard from scratch, first go to the Dashboard tab. You will be redirected to the default dashboard page. Click the Add icon on the upper right area of your screen. Choose to create a dashboard from scratch. Add a dashboard title first. The dashboard title serves as the name of your dashboard. Then click Continue. You will be redirected to your workspace. Start dragging and dropping widgets into the workspace to build your dashboard. You can choose specific widgets according to different categories. Once you have added your widgets and finalize your dashboard, click on Create Dashboard to save your custom dashboard. Your new dashboard is now added to your homepage.